Hey guys, welcome to the new episode of 52 Week Challenge 2020. This time we have a special guest with us and she is very highly qualified woman entrepreneur. She is very highly qualified means she is a graduate in engineering. She have done MBA and after that she did LLM, not LLB, LLM. And after all, she have done PhD also. Okay, I'm talking about a great lady, Dr. Rashi Gupta. Yes. She is a founder and managing director of a company called Vision Metronics Private Limited, and they are doing a phenomenal job in renewable power solutions and energy storage devices. And she was one of the lady who was chosen for the Asia's most influential lady for renewable energy in 2020. Let me invite Dr. Rashi Gupta. Dr. Rashi Gupta, you are most welcome to our show, and we want to know a bit about you and your success journey so far. Please let us know.
Thank you, Vinodji, for hosting me today here. Well, the journey so far has been very beautiful, very creative, of course with my fair shares of highs and lows, and I'm glad that I'm here today with all of you sharing these precious moments. Well, about me, I'm working in the energy storage space. We have the world's smartest lithium battery, and we are all trying to create and make this world a better place to be in.
Wow, that's a really impressive profile of yours. Dr. Rashi Gupta, you are truly Battery Wali of India. Let me tell you, this is a great thing. Thank you very much for all your introduction. Now, Dr. Rashi, we want to understand that being a real live example of women entrepreneurship, you have done everything from scratch, and today you are known nationally and internationally. So what do you think, that what message you want to give to the ladies who are struggling or looking to empower them in the field of a startup or entrepreneurship?
Thank you for that. I feel all women are empowered. Some just have to discover themselves, and the two most important factors are focus and faith. Well, I just wanted to create some value for the society, and I wanted to make it a better place to be in. So I just decided that let me just start bringing about a change, and that's how I started my business completely bootstrapped. And I have been working in the robotics and industrial automation. Then further we diversified into energy storage and renewable energy.
That's amazing. I was not aware about the robotics and industrial automation, and I think that it's a truly diversification. Thank you very much for a message for the women, and what you said, I truly agree that women have to discover themselves. It is everything, success is inside, not outside. So thank you for that message. Now, Dr. Rashi, I know that and everybody knows that you have started from scratch, and till now you have achieved the heights. It would not have been so easy. There must be so many highs and lows. So could you please let us know about your challenges, how you managed it, and how you have faced all those things, your journey?
Yes, certainly everyone has their shares of ups and downs. I also had to pass through the bed of thorns, and I too had my shares of the highs and lows, and to make my mark in this male-dominated society was not very easy. But I think women are very good multitaskers and extremely intuitive. So they should play by their strengths, and the one thing they should always remember is to have complete focus on what they want to achieve, as well as have an undying and absolute faith that they will achieve it no matter what. Well, continuing about what I would love to create is, I would like to create more value for my customers who use my products, and they should have an absolute peace of mind. But at the same time, I want to contribute to make a sustainable, inclusive, yet diverse, but an energy independent society for all. I'm also working on the gender equality issues, and I would love to make more space for women to come along in this journey with me and all of us together.
That's wonderful. Like all the leaders, they have a vision, and your vision is great. I like your vision. What you said is that energy independent society. That's a great thing. We all should have. And secondly, I like that you're working for equality gender. That's really good, and it's a great contribution to the society. Thank you very much, and we salute you for this cause. Now, Dr. Rashi, would you like to say anything for our channel, our program, what we have been running for the whole year, 52-week challenge 2020, and any message for the ladies out there?
Vinodji, you are doing a fantastic job. I've been following your work for quite some time now, and it's commendable. Thank you so much for hosting me here, and for all you lovely people out there, please have faith in your dreams, live your dreams, and that's how you will all achieve it and make this world a better place to be in. Thank you so much.
Dr. Rashi, it was great to know that you have been supporting our channel since a long time, and thank you very much. We accept your blessings and we reciprocate the same to you for your future journey and future vision, and we really like that you have given a great message. And let me tell you guys that Dr. Rashi is a live example who have not only made herself independent, rather she is making many people independent. And we need so many Rashi Guptas like that in India, because ladies are the real powerful in the society, okay? And if one lady is growing, it's not the lady, rather the family is growing. So guys, spread this message across so that many women can get the message from Dr. Rashi Gupta. And Dr. Rashi Gupta, thank you very much. It was lovely hosting to you, and we hope that it's going to be great message for people out there. So guys, this is all about today's session, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, do subscribe it now. I'm Vinod Tiwari from Abu Dhabi, UAE. See you next Friday, 7 p.m.